Good evening. Let me ask you one question today. What were you doing 10 years ago? Think harder. Okay, so I'll tell you what I was doing 10 years ago. I attended my first ever party. Obviously, it was a freshers party for my college. And more than the party, when I entered the party, I was excited about something else than the party. And it was I saw a guy at the corner of the room. He was doing something with the futuristic gas stove. And I was like, what is this? What is this guy doing? And then I came closer and I understood that this thing, what he was playing, was a DJ console, and this guy is called a DJ. Then, as a curious tech nerd, it got my brain waves running and I started Googling about DJing. And this is the time I got to know about what DJing is and got me introduced to this bigger thing called EDM. I heard EDM so much that after hearing it for some time, I was like, I want to become an EDM DJ. And as I was listening to more of this, something weird happened. My data pack expired. And this is the beauty of being a middle class person. Your pocket money makes you realize the reality. You know that, okay, I am in this engineering college right now and I have to finish my engineering. I have to do this in 4 years. I have to get a degree, get a job. That's what I have to do. And as in Marathi, we also say, Antrun bagun pay pasrave, which literally means stretch your legs according to the bed. But this thing, this EDM thing, got a bug inside my head. The bug of becoming the EDM DJ. I did my job, I completed my education, but this bug never left me. This bug was constantly trying to tell me that yes, you will become an EDM DJ one day. And it made me do stupid things, such as photoshopping my face on a festival flyer of a concert. Like, it made me learn music production by hook and crook. It made me learn DJing by any means, whether I have money or not. So this bug inside my head, I called it the DJ bug. It was basically the DJ of the concert of my life. It was trying to tell me the most happiest things. Basically, it was trying to play the most happiest songs which would go best with the concert of my life. Then later I realized that this bug is not just limited to me. This bug is actually in every one of us. My bug told me that you will become a DJ one day. Someone's bug tells them you will be a cricketer one day, play for Indian team. Someone's bug tells them that you will be the CEO of a company. Someone bugs just tell them that you will live a happy life with the person you just met 5 minutes ago. But there's one thing common with this bug. It makes you do things which makes you feel happy. I didn't knew what is this called, but then later on, I understood this is what is called manifestation. There's a bug inside your head which is constantly telling you to do something. And this is how we manifest. My bug sounded like this in my head. But then I realized this bug is just the DJ of my life. It's not going to learn music for me. It's not going to make music for me. It's not going to put hours in doing networking for me. That's what something I have to do. This bug may be the DJ of my life, but I am the organizer of this concert of my life. I have to take the right steps, and only I have to do these things to achieve what I have manifested. And then when I was watching all these documentaries of successful people, also watching TED Talks, I got to know there is one secret trick and very easy trick to fulfill your manifestations. And that is called persistence. Persistence in simple language means do what you love, but do it every single day. And I knew that I am not talented. I knew that I am not rich. I am not musically privileged. So whatever I want to do to become a DJ, I have to put in the hours. So I learned making music in my 2 hours, 3 hours commute in my Virar Fast Local by downloading YouTube videos and watching. I learned DJing by spending all my life savings and giving it to a DJ tutor to teach me DJing. I did all this because I knew this is something only and only I have to do. This DJ bug might be telling all fancy things about me, but the reality is something I have to change. And while I was being persistent at my work, some things happened, some things didn't, but most of the things didn't happen. Like I was still making music, but nothing was coming out of it. And I was thinking, what wrong I am doing in this? But this bug constantly told me that don't worry, don't quit. Just keep on doing whatever you're doing. Time will tell what will happen with your work. And then, after approximately 10 years, something beautiful happened. I created this genre called M House, which was a fusion of Marathi and house music. And everyone started loving it. Everyone started sharing it. Everyone started sharing it with their friends. They were enjoying it. And finally, I got the recognition which I wanted. This made me believe in this bug so much that only and only persistence will make my manifestations a reality. This bug is in all of us. Don't stop listening to this bug. Because one day it may change your life into a reality. So if you left something 10 years before, thinking that, okay, you cannot do it, you can start it today, right today. By just being persistent at what you do, and you will make your manifestation a reality. So let me ask you one more time. What were you doing 10 years ago? Thanks a lot. This is Kunal. My name is also called Great X. Thanks a lot, being a lovely audience.